concept est sympa.
Et je trouve ça extra.
C'est pas mal.
Ça marche bien, c'est assez réactif. Ouais, très enthousiaste.
C'est vraiment naturel en fait.
C'est un super produit.
Surprenant, moderne,
facile,
Très agréable.
pratique,
sécurisant.
Sécurisant.
sécurisant, oui.
Je trouve ça génial.
Hey, I'm Romain Duflo, Eyelights founder and CEO. So I follow some Fighter Pilot courses, and this is basically where everything started. We took Fighter Pilot technology to adapt it to any single helmet. Why? Because it's kind of hard to stay focused when you ride. When you want to read your smartphone information, GPS, everything, you're like this, and you need to go that way. So in 2016, we adapted the technology so that it fits every single helmet, motorcycle helmet. So this is the first prototype. It's a total internal reflection optic, and it's basically handmade. It's a garage thing. So in 2017, we launched the first commercial product. This product, so the optic unit, the sound system, you have voice control. We have sold more than 1 million euros of product right now. And we are currently integrating the smallest screen on the market. This is the screen that we are using. Have a look how small it is. Here we are in the prototyping and pre-production launch room. So we are designing 3D printing here. We're designing our own electronics boards. This is actually our car product. We've just made an Indiegogo campaign, so we'd say 250,000 euros pre-order campaign. So that's kind of cool. So as you can see, we're shipping a whole bunch of products right now. So see those stuff here. So happy to introduce the team. So we have customer support here, both motorcycle and car product. We have engineering and developer team here. So backend, frontend, Android, iOS, everything is done here. And here is the most interesting part also with mechanical design, optical design. So we're testing a lot of helmet to ensure that the compatibility is fine. And I'm going to show you the V2 product while we're here. It fits in more helmets. It's nicer. The optics is way better. It's actually an OLED screen. It's way brighter. The field of view is way bigger. It's more transparent. It fits in all kind of helmets. So we are launching Kickstarter to bring that product to life. As you can see, it's already financed. So what we want right now is customer support. We want customer to improve again the experience and give us as many feedbacks as you can. Okay, so we're a French company based in Toulouse. So we were at CES last year. We are Techstars alumni, so we were also featured by New York Times, Forbes, Mashable. For German people, we are in Motorrad. And for French people, nous sommes dans La Dépêche et également dans La Tribune, Les Échos. Thank you everyone.